Good afternoon, guys. It is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024, and I'm going to be going over the trade recap on the trade I took today on an attempted turtle soup. So, let me start on what I saw in the market. So, actually, I'll show my trade first. So, executions. Here we go. All right. So I was looking for a short, entered short off this order block, and got stopped out in two candles. All right. So I will give a more visual demonstration of what my trade looked like. Again, all traded live. This is what it looked like. And my targets were down here. This would have been my first partial and second one. So, what did I see in the market? 9:30 opened. 9:30 opened here, dropped a little bit, have these relative equal lows as my sell side liquidity, pushes up, creates the first fair value gap after 9:30, this little aqua rectangle here, C price comes into it, pushes past this buy side liquidity into 50% of the opening range gap. And after that's hit, we see displacement lower and the creation of a fair value gap here. I'll actually delete this. Creation of this fair value gap. And this changes state delivery here. So that's where I enter off and got stopped out. We saw price push higher, and honestly, I still would have taken a trade if after it hit this event horizon, if it were just keep displacing lower and created a fair value gap. I didn't take this because this was not enough of a displacement for me. This one also shouldn't have been taken because the bodies didn't respect the event horizon here or the opening range gap, and that's where I made a mistake here. So that's what I'm going to change next time is if price is not looking reactive off a certain level, then I won't take it. And if it doesn't displace quickly, like for example, this one right here does react off this event horizon, but we get this big black candle here, displaces lower, but then you see this next one just taps right off of this new week opening gap on October 21st. And it doesn't really continue to displace lower. But buy side was taken out. I'll show you on the 15-minute. Right here, there was actually relative equal highs on the 1-minute chart. Let me go. Right there. Relative equal highs inside the new week opening gap, October 21st. So, 2 new rules added today. I'm only going to be on the charts in the AM session from 9:30 to 10:30. So this price action would be all that I'm trading from here to here. See, price didn't give us any good displacement at all to the downside there, so wouldn't have taken anything. And so this is the only range that I'd be looking for. If price were to have continued to go higher, I would have been looking for something in the lunch macro. I did long on to the launch macro today, but it wasn't successful at all. Didn't see any setups. But these type of days happen. Few days when you log on and it's not anything really great. Let me check how much we lost today. Lost 150 today. I mean, it's okay. I'm not stressing. I know these type of days happen, and I honestly think I learned a lesson. Whenever, I mean, it's possible that we don't react off this event horizon or anything here, and it does displace lower and keep going lower. So it is possible. It's just if you guys saw what happened Monday, let me go back to Monday. It is way more likely to have a cleaner run when it does react off something. So look, see how the body's perfectly respected this gray box here, which is our weekly fair value gap, and then displaces lower, and it's way cleaner. We respect price a lot more, and it actually displaces extremely quick. And this is clear. It's obvious. It respects the fair value gap and hits Monday's high. Oh no, this is Monday's high. I'm sorry, guys. It just respects the fair value gap perfectly. So Monday was a perfect demonstration of turtle soup. Um, Today's just a lesson to be learned, and I would take this trade again. I think next time I would just leverage less, maybe 2 contracts instead of 4, because then again, it is lower probability. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you learn anything from this, please give us a thumbs up. I'm really only doing this because I did take a trade today, so I just want to show you guys what I did. Obviously, not my best day in the market, but we'll move forward and hopefully have a good week today, this week. So, have a good one, guys. Please like if you learn anything. Have a good one.